Everyone, today we will be discussing how we can embed the video from any online source available on the internet. For today's purposes, I have used a random video generated from YouTube, and just so you know, this all information been used for the educational purposes only, so no copyright needed to display. Anyways, so first of all, on this code I have displayed the doc type, which is the most important part of a code to help the visual code to understand what we want from it. Then I displayed the language, but it's just the basics. Most important part is located along here. We have to keep in mind that without the iframe, anything that we could potentially embed into the website won't work. Meaning the iframe is one specific command which displays the source link which has been stated here. So in more simpler words, iframe specifies what type of information it receives, and based on the width and the height listed by the programming, it automatically says and sees what is expected from it. Also, the source command is the most important part of a piece, because based on it, all the information will be available for display on the website. As example over here, I've used a random link from the YouTube just to show off how it's supposed to be done. Furthermore, frame border 0 is optional, but there is a huge need for it. It can be removed, and allow autoplay is the most important piece of this code, because without it, the program won't work itself. And also allow full screen, meaning if the user wants it, the user could specifically say to use the full screen for it. So here it is. This example over here, this is the video test, and here is it displayed on the website. So as you see,
when I grow up, I want to be a principal or a cat.
Just for the copyright-based information, I'm not going to be playing anything much more of the website I have created, and this is the only one potential way of how it could be done. The second way how such thing could be done is to embed the file which is already located inside your computer. In simple words, anything that has a specific way set of the file, it will display on the website. So, been on the stop, I have downloaded a quick video from the internet to show how it can be done using the other type of a code. So, in 1 minute, and just so the people know how it's supposed to be done. So, most importantly, for implementing the MP4 type of files, web media files, and OGG media files, the following command should be written down to display the information. By declaring video, we create a specific set of the rules for the program to follow. Next up, we have to specify the ID for it, which will be video player. It's quite simple and easy to follow. Next up, we have to specify the width. For this example, I'll be using 480 width, and also the height. Let's say 260. And then controls autoplay. By these two words, we declare that the following video player will be controllable, and if there is going to be a need, it can be autoplayed of the information that is present there. Next up will be the most important part of the code. See, and over here we type into the name of the video we have chosen for this. The one I will be showing is already displayed over here. So we click on it, and then we close it. So in simple words, Since we already have the closing tag of the video here present already, it in theory should start up the actual screen now. So, saving the work. As honest, we can also hear the sound of it, and this is it pretty much. There is nothing so hard of this to be present on the coding, and if there is going to be a real need for it, as the for the example, if you want to change anything of the videos, you can use the CSS for it, such as background, maybe borders, anything of this nature. Thank you so much for the watching, and I wish you a nice and pleasant day.